Dev course. We're here today with our newest instructor, Jacob Lovelace, as well as one of our newest engineers, and Samir Raza, our head of technology, chief technology officer, and head of engineering. Thank you guys both for joining me today.
No problem.
So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'll show you our Udemy course. And the first thing that I'm going to try to do is get you set up as an instructor.
Okay.
So if it's possible for me to add you as an instructor, that would be best for security reasons. If that's not possible for me to add you in as an instructor, then we will need to just give you my login, which is not what we'd prefer, but
Yeah.
we could do. Okay. Instructor. Email address. Do you already have a Udemy account, Jacob?
I do not. I haven't been able to make one yet.
Would you mind doing it? Well, it says enter an email associated with the Udemy account, so I might just be able to type in your email address. Alternatively, you can create an account real quick, and then I can add in whatever email you use.
I can go ahead and start making one right now.
Cool. Maybe we can flop over to you presenting, just for anybody that's unaware of what it's like to create a Udemy account.
Give me 1 second. Alright. I can do that. Nope. There we go.
There he is.
Alright. Let's sign up. Damn.
That was fast. That was real fast. Okay, I don't even know if we need to swap back to me. Let's stick on you. What is the email I should enter into here?
Jacob P. Lovelace at Gmail.
Jacob P. Lovelace at gmail.com. Added. He will have the ability to visible, manage, captions, performance, Q&A, assignments. I'm giving you everything. Giving you access to everything.
Okay.
Save. Okay, now your changes have been saved. It may take up to 1 day for performance access to take effect.
Okay.
Let's see if you have it, and if you don't, maybe we'll check your email. Go to the instructor tab. Yeah.
Oh.
There it is.
Yeah.
So go ahead and click on that and select the course.
The edit manage.
Yeah. So I believe it's curriculum where you'll be doing the majority of the work.
Okay.
Yes, here we are. So bulk uploader may be how you do it, but I typically do them one at a time. Now let's scroll all the way down to the bottom and see if there's an add button. How would we add to this list? Checking on my side as well. If you see it, let me know. How have we done this in the past? I've definitely added.
It says click the plus button icon on the left to get started. I don't know where the plus button is. Maybe hover over some of the buttons?
On the left. Interesting. I see what you're talking about. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hover over section 1. Do you see the plus button that pops up right if you hover right above section 1 in the white space above the gray box?
Yes. Yup.
Click that plus button for me. Okay, so this section will be called, I'm thinking maybe JavaScript 101 or Intro to JavaScript. Titles are important. Would any either sound better to either of you two? Intro to JavaScript versus JavaScript 101 or anything else? Maybe Free Code Camp Free Code Camp maybe too specific.
Yeah. I like JavaScript 101 personally.
Good with that, Samir?
Yeah.
Okay, what will the student be able to do at the end of this section? Let's just run through what the Free Code Camp does. Free Code Camp, I'm opening up Free Code Camp on my side, and if you want to type in,
Okay.
At the end of this section, students will be able to, or students will understand basic JavaScript, comma, ES6, comma,
Stand basic.
understand basic JavaScript, yes. Nice. Regular expressions.
Ooh, I like regex.
Debugging, comma, data structures, algorithm scripting, comma, object-oriented programming.
I'm struggling with this spelling algorithm.
Yep. ALGORIT.
There we go.
He's already. The computer's got him.
Thank you, though, Patrick.
Algorithms, object-oriented programming. Functional programming. And JavaScript projects. Yeah, now add the section. Alright, so now the question is, how do we add a lecture inside of that lesson? Try hovering somewhere in the section to see if there's any way.
There it is.
There's another plus button. Sweet. So let's click on that. And now here will be, you will be just be doing lectures. So all of yours will be lectures. So go ahead and click on lecture.
Bam.
And then the title, I think just copy it from Free Code Camp. So again, up to you. You can make one lecture just basic JavaScript, which contains all 110 of the challenges. Or you can make one of the lectures, the first one, which would be Introduction to JavaScript, and then the next one would be Comment Your Code. Next one would be Declare Variables.
Mm-hmm.
That's up to you and how you would prefer to teach the course.
I think I'm gonna go one by one. I think so I can just like kind of zone in on everything.
I would love that. I think that would be great. All right, so let's see if you can publish. Well, can you publish the section without any content? Probably not.
We can try.
Yeah. Just click that add button. See if it does it.
Yeah, no.
Intro to JavaScript. What I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to just have you add it to a place where I can see it on my side, and then I will add the first lesson. Well, actually, maybe we just have you do this. Maybe that's what this is telling us right now. So, would you be down to? Do you have a screen recorder? First question, and second question: is your computer at a place where you can continue this meet as well as do a screen recorder while you're doing the Free Code Camp?
For both. We can find out.
OBS Studio is probably the best.
Which one did you say was probably the best, Samir?
OBS.
OBS. Zero OBS.
Yeah. This is a new computer. It seems pretty fast.
Yeah, this is brand new. I've had it for less than a month.
Nice.
Just comparing this to the last time we were with Stefan, and I'm like, holy cow, we're getting things done very quickly.
I'm guessing this one may have an SSD, and maybe Stefan doesn't. I don't know what the specifications for Stefan's laptop is.
At least Stefan was able to run the React server last time I had to talk with him, so he's making progress.
Progress is good.
Progress is good.
Turn on the auto configuration. Was it sure?
Your call.
Which tab?
If you're just doing work with us, optimize for recording. If you also see yourself doing live streaming, maybe I'm using OBS right now to stream, and mine's optimized for streaming. But I stream 4 or 5 times a day, all these meetings.
It's fair. I don't really intend to stream.
Cool.
Yep.
Okay.
Start recording?
I guess it usually shows the desktop behind it.
That's weird.
But it's not right now. You don't have any sources. Okay, let's add a source. Down in it. Do we need to add a source, Samir? Does this sound familiar?
I think so. I think you have to add a source.
Okay, so in your sources, click the plus button in the bottom, and we're looking for display capture, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Create
Okay.
new.
Yeah. There we
There we
go.
go.
That looks like what we wanna
Infinite.
see.
Infinite all the way down.
Yeah, click OK. Click OK. That looks perfect. Okay, so we have display. You also need to capture audio, so we'll want to
Audio.
click plus and make an audio input.
Input capture.
Yep, and then add existing maybe,
Oh,
because
Yeah,
it looked like it
probably.
caught
let's
your
go
mic.
back. Yeah.
How to delete. Click the minus button.
Minus button. Yeah. The
Got
minus
it.
button.
So add audio input. Add existing.
Yep.
Okay.
You might need to click on mic aux. Cool.
All right.
Cool. So let's do an intro lesson. Is there any hotkey to toggle recording and non-recording in OBS, Samir, or does he have to just click start and then?
I think you have to enable the hotkey. Don't remember. Let me check right now. No, it's not on this one, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have OBS on this laptop. I think you have to enable the hotkey.
I'm looking OBS hotkey.
Hang on 1 second.
Go ahead into there's a hotkey tab in OBS somewhere. Maybe, yeah, maybe file, maybe somewhere in here. And potentially settings, but I like where you're going right now. Try settings in the bottom. Yeah. Hotkeys. Okay, so whatever you start stream and stop stream, I typically do Control plus R. That's what I use on my screen recorder.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you should. I wonder if you can do the same for start and stop. Oh, and we're doing streaming right now. Let's do it for recording instead of streaming. That's funny.
Just hit the minus.
I played myself.
That's funny. Garbage can.
Oh, come. Oh, garbage. There we go. Recording. There we go.
Okay. Yeah, save those, and then let's see if we can record some.
There's a save button, or we'll just save automatically.
You're asking great questions, and I don't know.
Oh, let's. There we go.
Okay.
All right. Oh, there we go. Save changes. Yes.
So try your Control R right here and see if it changes from start streaming to. Aha! So it's recording. And now try it again. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. So it looks like that Hotkeys Recording. So if you're like working through Free Code Camp and you got some downtime and you want to cut it out, you can just Control R on and off. So you can minimize the screen now. All right. I guess we just captured a little bit, and that's okay. Maybe do an intro here and say, hey, I'm Jacob Lovelace. I'm going to be getting you up to speed on JavaScript. Let's get started. We're using Free Code Camp. To get started, go to freecodecamp.org. And then just kind of like talk them through how to get to the site for the very first time if they've never been here. And I'm going to shut up.
Got it. Go ahead and start that then.
Yes.
All right. Hey guys, this is Jake Lovelace. I'm here to show you today. Well, we're going to be doing the basics of JavaScript on Free Code Camp. So just go to your browser, type in freecodecamp.org. We're going to learn to code at home. Let's get started. If you haven't created an account, it's going to ask you to create an account at this point, but I already have. So make sure you enter your credentials, and we are going to be starting today with JavaScript algorithms and data structures verification. Go to the first lesson. All right, commenting JavaScript code. Just going to gently ignore comment yourself. All right, looks fairly straightforward. So we're going to be doing a multi-line comment. Okay, one type of each comment. So the inline comment looks like there's just 2 forward slashes. And then inline comment. Period. Multi-line comment looks like there's going to be 1 forward slash asterisk. There we go. Another asterisk, forward slash. All right, let's see how this looks. Awesome. It's 1 down. All right. Computer science data is anything that is meaningful to the computer. Data, no.
Do you want to stop the recording now, or are you going to go through the second lesson?
I'll go do this one real quick. Should I do the intro over again, or should I just keep going?
You keep doing you. I'm having fun observing.
Okay. Data is anything that is meaningful to the computer. Not the. Okay. 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 That makes sense. We're creating a variable. So it should be just var and then my name equals the string. And bam. All right. Yeah, so far this seems pretty easy peasy on my end, at least. I'm sure it's going to get kind of complicated later, but for now, so far so good.
Are you still recording?
I don't think I am now.
I was trying to make sure I'm not talking over your recording.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, so now that you've recorded an episode, let's try to figure out where it's saved and let's review to see how it looks.
I just realized my goofy self had it not recording, so I can do the first one again real quick. We love doing it live.
Doing it live.
All right, let's get back to the top. Good thing it doesn't take very long. All right, let's try this again from the top. I think I'm recording here. Yep. Hey everyone, this is Jake Lovelace. Today we're going to be doing some JavaScript basics on freecodecamp.org. So go ahead, type that into your browser. The homepage will ask you to create an account if you haven't done so yet. After you do that, just go ahead and go down to the JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures certification. And we're going to get started with the first lesson. Commenting on the code, there are two kinds of comments that would appear. The inline comment, which is just 2 forward slashes, and then the multi-line comment, / asterisk, the comment, and then asterisk back, actually /. So the lesson is asking us to do one of each, so let's do one of each. Inline comment, nice and simple. And then / asterisk, multi-line enter comment, and then another asterisk, another /. One lesson down. And I stopped the recording now.
I like the second run through. That one was really good. Your instructor voice came out.
Yeah, it takes a second. I gotta warm up, you know.
Okay, so now we'll try to find wherever this video file is stored to see how the recording is.
Maybe scene collection. I don't know.
Show recordings?
Oh, there it is. Now I gotta figure out which one's the right one.
Looks like the first 3 numbers are a date, and then the last 3 are probably a time, hours, minutes, seconds.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking this one's gonna be the right one.
Do it.
Yep, this is the right one.
Can you hear the sound? Because I cannot, and that's
I can, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, this is the right one.
Cool. So now let's take that and try to upload it to Udemy. Take that video
Okay.
and let's put it in Udemy.
Let's go to Udemy then. Content. It's a video from the library.
Try upload video. I think that's what you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go to pull the file. Oh boy. Nope. Alright. Select video. PC.
Videos.
Interesting.
Try videos on the left side.
Try it instead of custom see all files.
In the bottom right, Jacob.
Oh. There we go.
Ah, good call, Samir. Status failed.
Because it's an MKV file.
Okay, so it doesn't like MKVs.
We have to change the format in your OBS recorder.
OBS record MP4. How to make OBS record an MP4. Alright, let's see what we got. Directly record is not recommended because if you cannot gracefully end the recording is unusable as a whole. So go to Settings, Advanced
On
Recording.
Okay. Oh, nope. Settings. Advanced recording.
Alright, so there's the recording section. Let's see what it tells me next, because that's not super helpful. And activate automatically remux to MP4. Is that a thing? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we should be recording to MP4.
Take 3.
Take 3. Mute
Got
myself.
it. Sounds good. Alrighty. Going back. Going back. Going up. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. Hey guys, this is Jake Lovelace. Today we're going to be started with some basics of JavaScript on freecodecamp.com. So go ahead and .org, sorry. Go ahead and type in freecodecamp.org into your browser. If you haven't created an account yet, it will prompt you to do so. And once you have, let's go ahead and go down to JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and we will just get started with the first lesson under Introduction to JavaScript. First one is commenting JavaScript code. That looks like there are 2 kinds of code here. There are going to be, or comments rather, there's going to be an inline comment and a multi-line comment, and it looks like the lesson is prompting us to create one of each, so let's go ahead and do that. For an inline comment, just 2 forward slashes and then the comment, so inline. Second one is going to be a multi-line comment, so I'm going to go ahead and do /*, multi-line enter comment, and then close it with an */. Let's run the tests, and we did it. And next challenge. All right. Let's try this again. Oh.
Delicious.
Tasty.
Yes.
We did it.
Bam. It's
Fantastic.
processing. It usually takes it a while to process, so
Okay.
yeah. Is there an option to publish yet? You might have to wait until it's done processing before you can publish.
I don't think so. The only option I'm seeing are description and resources.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and saying unpublished right up there.
Do you have any questions so far about this quest?
No, seems pretty straightforward.
Cool. So you'll do the first, that first section, what's it called, basic JavaScript, and as soon as you're done with that, let us know, and we will, we'll review it real quick and then pay it out, and then you can keep moving
Awesome.
on. This is at your own pace, so if you get it all done today,
Yeah.
that's awesome. If it takes you a couple months, that's also awesome. The goal right now is to get you up to speed on JavaScript so that after this we can shift you into gaming or one of our other divisions to start doing some more some like real engineering work in terms of like delivering and building and putting it out.
I'm excited.
Samir, do you think there's anything I'm missing? Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen.
Oh, great.
Cool.
Great. Gonna take a couple deep breaths, just give space for if either of you two have anything that needs to be discussed. I'm wrapping this up, but I'm creating space for anything else that you two want to discuss.
Good.
Just excited to keep moving on.
And we've already paid you out for the first deposit, or do I still owe
Yep.
that?